What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. My name's Leandro Demon Riva, and today we are going to make a night watch. The night watch was created by Jessica Gonzalez at Deaf & Company in 2011, and I decided to make it because it makes use of this East India Solera sherry that I have a bunch of and I would like to use. It is a very interesting cocktail. I will say that a lot of you guys are going to start asking me about what you can possibly sub out for ingredients that you can't get. Unfortunately, with some of these modern classics that we do, they're pretty dependent on their ingredients. So like Old Tom Gin that Ransom makes is going to be a lot different than the Old Tom Jinx that Heyman's makes. So just be aware of that. You can try and sub it out for whatever. I'm sure those subs would be fine, but I like to make the cocktails that were intended by their maker, at least to begin with, before I start playing with it. So I just want to let you guys know that. That's what we're using these. I'm not going to offer too many subs for this one, but feel free to sub. And if you do and you make something awesome, let me know. All right, so first thing we're going to do is just 1 dash of Angostura bitters. And then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of simple syrup, 3/4 of an ounce of Solera sherry, and then we're just going to do a 50-50 split, 1.5 ounces of both Cruzan Blackstrap rum, and Ransom Old Tom Gin, 1.5 ounces as well. This is going to be a little bit bigger of a cocktail, and actually, I'm not really sure if this is going to be sufficient. We'll see. That's a 5.5 ounce scoop. We shall see if it is sufficient, if it will sufficiently hold this cocktail. I'm going to just stir it up. I don't have too much for you on this cocktail, other than that it was named after a Rembrandt painting. And it's got a very interesting set of ingredients. There you go. That about does it. And we strain. Ooh, impressive. Yeah, impressive. Look at that. 5.5 ounce scoop held a 3 3/4 plus a teaspoon in volume of, it's a little bit full, but you know, I am going to taste it and find out what it tastes like and tell you guys all about it. So cheers. Now the dominant flavor is the Blackstrap rum, but it plays very well with the sherry. And I'm assuming that the back-end botanicals are being provided by the Old Tom Gin. That is amazingly balanced for what I thought it was going to be. It also has, you can even detect the spice of the Ango a bit. So there you have it, my friends, the Night Watch from Jessica Gonzalez.